Mercury by Maxwell Amon, Mira Bajaj, Mary DuBard, and Emily Weston Cannon. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk to you about Mercury. For starters, it was named after the Roman messenger god with the same name. This name was given to it because it seemed to move the fastest of all of the planets. Mercury was formed when the sun pushed out light gas and dust to form the other planets, keeping the heavier elements closer to it. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, ranging from 46 to 69.8 million kilometers away. As a result, Mercury is also the second hottest planet. The average temperature on Mercury in the day ranges from 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, and at night can drop as low as negative 170 degrees Celsius. One would assume that it would be the hottest planet, but scientists have proven that Venus is hotter. This is because Mercury has poor thermal inertia, meaning that Mercury does not have the capability to absorb the sun's heat as well as other planets. It has poor thermal inertia because of the thin atmosphere. Another result of the thin atmosphere is that the sky on Mercury appears to be black. The atmosphere is made up of 42% helium, 42% sodium, 15% oxygen, and 1% of other elements. It's very thin because solar winds have blown it almost completely away. The sun seems to be 2.5 times larger on Mercury than on our planet, also due to the short distance from the sun. It happens to be the smallest planet with a diameter of only 4,789 miles, about 2/5 the size of the Earth's, and only 40% larger than our moon. However, when measured by density, Mercury tops all the planets excepting Earth. Mercury itself has a core made of iron, generating a magnetic field only 1% stronger than the Earth's. Also, the inside of Mercury and Earth are very similar, both having a mantle with an iron core. The surface of Mercury is made of silicate. It is one of the terrestrial inner planets with a surface much like the moon's, filled with craters, glaciers, and rolling plains. A rotation on Mercury takes 59 Earth days, and one full revolution takes only 88 days. Something remarkable about Mercury is that the sun doesn't move as steadily as it does on Earth. Depending on the location one is in and the distance from the sun, the speed could seem faster or slower. At times, it even seems like the sun is reversing its course. Another cool thing is that Mercury can be seen from Earth without a telescope at certain times of the year, sometimes referred to as the morning or evening star. This happens because Mercury's orbit is inside that of the Earth's, displaying phases very similar to the moon's. A long time ago, before 4th century BC, many people thought that Mercury was two objects, Apollo that showed up in the morning and Hermes at night. Did you know that if you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you would only weigh 38 pounds on Mercury? This happens because Mercury's pull of gravity is about 1/3 that of the Earth. In 2004, the spacecraft Messenger was sent off, and will reach in 2011 to gather more information about Mercury. Previously, the Mariner was sent to visit Mercury, but it was not as informational as they planned. What we have found out is that Mercury has no tilt, rings, or moons. Scientists are hoping to learn more about this fascinating planet when Messenger arrives. Thank you for viewing our video on Mercury. We hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot about it just as we have.